So we were working with the options menu yesterday. We got the controller settings set up and key binding set up. I'm wondering if we have something unassigned. Let me see something. Save this. It's saved as like empty key, I guess. Hey, how's it going, Skull? I'm doing pretty well. Say I want to say I'm a little stressed trying to get this all done, but I think we're going at a pretty good pace. Let's see here. So we got our key bindings UI, our controller bindings, and I think now we're gonna just do the display and sound. I think the display is not really display settings like affecting the graphics or anything like that. It's more like showing the timer, or if you want to see the like debugging stats like the player state and all that kind of stuff, that would be there. Maybe I would change this to gameplay. I'm not entirely sure actually. Finished your new enemy. Nice. When you say you finished, you mean like you designed him and everything like that? Send any screenshots you have or anything like that. I'm intrigued. Love to see it. So yeah, we're gonna be working. Let's try out the sound first. Oh yeah, there were some issues with messing with the sounds UI yesterday. Mainly with did we delete it yesterday? Yeah, I guess we deleted it. So right now we have all of our old labels here. I'm gonna delete that. Oh, nice. Or an animation. Gotcha. I wonder why shrink center didn't work here on the horizontal axis. I mean, we'll figure it out later. I guess we're more concerned with just adding the labels for now, or I mean not the labels, the scroll bars. So let's just add that, or sorry, the sliders. That's what they're called. Our option sliders, and we'll throw them in here for now. So you can see it looks pretty strange at the moment. If we go into the scene. Oh, I forgot. We're not gonna listen to this playlist unless I wanted to get some copyright issues. So let's see. Size flags. Fill. Vertical fill. Maybe not. Fill. Might have to add another container. I'm trying to think. So we could mess with it here. I wonder why the size for this container, or this label right here, is so large. Let's see, center. Oh, that's probably why. So it's closer to what we want. And then we do... Our margin size changed here. Let's try changing that again to, let's say, 500. And I think we want to not expand it, but shrink to the center? No. Let's try... Something like that. Sounds a good skull. Honestly, you could send it on the server if you want, unless you want to keep it private for now, which is also understandable. Alright, so let's go into this option slider. I'm gonna try throwing this up here. You know, I'm thinking right now for our buttons, we also put them in. Also, it's weird that this keeps resetting to figure out what's going on there. So weird. So the other issue with this is that because we have this label as a child, it only grabs like the root node, and so like they're stacked on top of each other. I think what we're gonna do for our sound setting script is basically for every sound effect that we have, we'll add. I guess we'll add a child before it. I guess that makes the most sense. So for now, let's go back into our script. We're gonna delete this label. I'm also thinking we could just add the label here. Like, it's not the worst thing in the world. Let's save this. It's not like this needs to be automated for any reason. And like literally we could just say, you know, this is effects. And this is music. Alright, and the only other issue here is that for some reason it's not like, it's being stretched way too much. Not entirely sure how to fix that. Let's see. I don't think we need a save button. Hey, how's it going, Nick? Let's make sure this is changed to music. So adding to the margin doesn't seem... Alignment center. If we do stretch this, set it to center. We don't expand... Oh wait, no, we do need to expand. Could technically leave it like this. And then in our options menu, we would just throw this in. It's so weird how it like resets here. Oh, and it reset here as well. I don't get it. We don't want it to expand. Shrink center, I'm not entirely sure. Hey, how's it going, Dev Waffle? Welcome. I'm struggling to figure out how this UI works. So yeah, these anchors seem to reset every time I work on them. I don't know. Correct. Alright, let me try this again. I save it, I run it. Oh yeah, we don't use this anymore. Hey, how's it going, Fernando? Welcome. Okay, so now it seems to work, but I feel like every time we mess with these labels here, or I mean these anchors or the margins, it like messes us up. Let's try it one more time. So do something like just try this, save it. So yeah, you can see I've already saved it and it goes back. We're doing something here. Maybe it has to do with shrink center. or expand. Let's just ignore all of these. Alright, sounds good, Skull. Alright, so... yeah. Just resets. What's going on here, man? Theme overrides. No. Either we leave it like this, or we could maybe just expand it. Oh wait, I think I got it. No, I don't. I started using Streamlabs. I've been using Streamlabs for a while now. I think it's just bugged out for me because maybe because I'm using Restream and Streamlabs simultaneously, it doesn't work properly. Because I'm using the extension on Twitch, but I'm using OBS Restream. Last stream, I sued OBS. Oh yeah. So I guess there's two ways this there's Streamlabs like the software, and then Streamlabs, I guess, the extension. I'm using the Streamlabs extension. Yep. Oh, we never set up the sound to work properly. Yeah, the issue with using Streamlabs is that I wouldn't be able to multi-stream. So yeah. Yeah, there we go. The effects are weird, like I'm not entirely sure how to fix this. I don't want it to be like this I don't want it to fill up this entire screen. But I guess it does work. least for now. I also gotta make sure that this is hidden for now. By default, we set key bindings UI to visible. And if we go to sound, then this happens. Let's make sure it actually works in game. There we go. And then the effects will still, yeah, the effects still work. Another thing that we're gonna need to do, I think, is in our option menu here, we want to add a script that I guess iterates through all of our buttons and adds a signal to them for like those sounds. So I mean, we already have this here, so all we have to do next is say button.connect hover or focus entered or something like that to press the to play our sounds. So let's do that now. And I think right now we already have this played in our sound singleton. Let me see. No, we actually don't have anything playing. We should probably do it here. So might as well write it down here. We'll just say func play click. And we'll just say click dot play. And then func play confirm dot play. And then what we'll do is we'll connect our buttons to each of these signals really quick. So if you're using keyboard and mouse, you want to click around to dash. Yo, Skull, this looks pretty good. Looks sick. I hear myself in that video. Dude, these look amazing, man. Good job. Good job. Good job. Alright, so what we'll do, I mean, we're gonna have to do this for all of our buttons, so I wonder if I should just make a script that says, like, register buttons or something like that for, like, every child node. We'll probably do that. Let's do that. The only thing is that it's going to be different for every single like panel here, because like sometimes it'll be in a different set of children. So like right here, all of our buttons are created afterwards. So I'm trying to think what's the best way to go about this. By the way, Dev Waffle is asking if they could see your work. Honestly, I could share it if you want, but if you don't want me to share it, that's totally fine. So we'll do this for. Yeah, just share it on the server. Hey, how's it going, Omar? Welcome, man. You game dev? I'm pretty good. A little slow today, I feel. I'm not even sure what I'm doing right now. But yeah, for our options menu, we're gonna iterate through these buttons, and we technically already do. So what we'll do here is we'll just run func connect we'll call it connect button signals. And all we're gonna do for connect button signals is we'll put in a button argument, and then we'll say button dot connect focus. We want to connect focus entered and clicked or pressed. So yeah, let's do both of them. So we'll do pressed first. Pressed, and we're gonna connect this to our sounds. And just say confirm. I'm doing something wrong here. Oh, yeah. And then we're gonna do this to click as well. So on, what is it? Focus entered. Clicked. You are a hacker for HackerOne? What's HackerOne? Thank you, man. Yeah, I've been working on this for quite a while now. And we want to connect mouse entered, I believe. Where's mouse entered though? Oh, right there. So it should work the same way. And another thing that we would want to do for each of these buttons is also make sure that they can, actually, we might not want to, when the mouse enters this this button, instead of playing the click sound, we can make it focus to that button. That way we don't have two sounds playing simultaneously. We would just say, I think we would have to actually make a function called focus button. Hey, how's it going, NMB Universal? Welcome back, man. So for our button, we'll just say grab focus. And then over here, we'll say focus button. And include this button. All right, Waffle, I'll see you around. Thanks for stopping by, man. UI takes longer than you expected. Yeah, UI takes a hot minute. Unfortunately. I mean, it was technically done a while back, but you know, if you want to polish it, make it actually look good, it's definitely going to take a while. Especially, I feel like most people don't work most devs don't really want to work with UI. They just want to work on the the juicy stuff. So yeah, we connected this. Connect press to confirm. Focus entered to click, and then mouse entered just runs focus button, which grabs focus, and we include that button. So let's see if this worked. Nothing. What the hell? Let me see. So this might have not worked. The whole sounds thing. We're connecting the button to. Oh, this should be self. Let me just print this. So yeah, it is running, but I guess talking to the singleton doesn't seem to work. Yeah, let me look at sound. Oh, because we named it play click and play confirm. Okay, so yeah, it does work. The click sound doesn't work just yet. Let me see here. And that's because we spelled focus entered wrong. There we go. So now we're gonna do this, I guess, for all of our buttons, for all of these here. No, I don't have Telegram. And let's do this. Honestly, we could just copy over these functions here. And just throw them wherever we have buttons. Honestly, we could even throw it. Maybe we can even throw it in the buttons themselves. But we would also need to make sure that. Actually, no, we don't want to grab the focus of these buttons. The player should have the ability to do that. So, yeah, we'll leave it the way it is. But yeah, right over here, we'll just say. We could just say connect. Phone number? Honestly. No, probably not gonna share my number. Sorry. So these buttons don't work just yet. Let me see why. Because we never actually added it. What was that? Connect button signals. So we can actually get rid of this. Connect, and we'll just call it connect button signal. And we'll include, I guess, self here. self.grab focus. Why isn't it working though? Connect button, signal, connect pressed to sounds, focus enter to sounds, click play, and mouse enter to focus button of self. Let's see what's going on here. Well, you heard that. Is this the... maybe it's the wrong button. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is the wrong button. We're gonna want to throw all of this. We can... I guess we can leave it here. Wait, no. We don't want this here. I guess we could throw it here in already. So it's almost worked, except for mouse entered, self, focus button. We're saying focus, grab. Yeah, it should work. Let me see something. But technically, we do have this toggle mode, but it's not technically set up here. Press, focus entered, sounds play click. Oh man, I'm not giving you my phone number. Sorry. But if you were a true hacker, you could probably just find it, can't you? So clicking it seems to be fine, but then hovering it here doesn't do anything. Wonder why. Let me look at our option menu. Oh, toggle mode is set to true, so it should. I guess maybe toggle mode. Let's see something. Maybe it's because toggle mode is set up that it's not working. So what, you can't focus when... Let me try this. No, yeah, it's weird because you can see here I can switch to the save, but I can't actually switch to edit these buttons. So we're not able to... It's technically not even focusing on these. Let's see here. But play confirm works. Focus entered is the issue here. Have I released a new demo? Last time I released a demo was, I think I want to say last Tuesday. That was when I released the latest demo. $11:17 apparently. On Thursday. That's when I released the new demo. Honestly, we might just leave it the way it is. It's not... Yeah, check it out. If you have the time. It's, honestly, the only adjustment that was made is, some of, like, the controller settings. It's not much. Not much was added. Trying to think here. Focus entered to sounds play click. I mean, what we could technically do. Here, let me see something. Does this work though? We'll print, or we'll do sounds dot play click. Oh yeah, the easy normal nightmare mode. All of that stuff was added as well. So we got it to work with this. I guess it's just the focus. So you can't really switch to the settings without a mouse, but I mean, I'm releasing the game on PC, so like, it's not the worst thing in the world. We'll have to figure it out eventually why it's not working. For now, we'll leave it the way it is. All right, so we have to do this for all of our buttons, or I guess the controller button. Alright, so we got that to work. I think the next step is to actually get our UI to look half decent. So we're probably going to hop onto GIMP and just draw some stuff. Or let me see, maybe we could find some things that are already in our project. So yeah, we have these pixel art UI borders. Actually, yeah, let me open up GIMP. So the labels on the top, I think one thing is they need to be centered. So let's go into that. Key bindings UI. All of these should be centered here. And yeah, I think we're just gonna get rid of these backgrounds for now. Or maybe we'll make a theme override. For our styles, let's go here and we'll do new style box line. Could do something like that. Let me see if we can edit this. Maybe like have a white line instead of. Do we see anything? Oh yeah, we do. Oh yeah, I think we want it on the bottom. Let's go back into theme overrides, visibility. How do we edit this? Content margin. We don't want vertical. Row begin. So we do want. I feel like a line would look pretty good, but I don't want it to. I don't want it to stick out like this. I want it to be on the bottom, is what I mean. So let's go back into these labels. Theme overrides. Style. Let me see. New style box texture or new style box. No, we most definitely want a line. But I don't think there's any way to adjust it to the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll just make our own. So let's open up GIMP. And I think for now, what we'll do, I'm trying to think, like, technically all we need is like a 3x3 or like maybe let's do an 8x8 image. Let's see if we can get it to work this way. It's gonna look very simple, but hopefully it can look nice with its simplicity here. So all we have to do. And honestly, maybe we should have two different versions, like an unfocused version and then a focused version. Let's go into here, Godot, Still Life, UI, images. So I think we'll probably have to create a new texture here. New style box texture. Oh, I'm not sharing my window anymore. And there we go. That's basically what we wanted. I don't know how clean that actually looks, and also there's like this little gap in between. Not sure how to fix that. Let's see. Margin, maybe. Or I mean, we could leave it the way it is. Let's see how that looks. I think we'll also want to change the font size here. Let's test it out. So yeah, the text is super small. We can't see anything. Let's go. I'm trying to think. We could go into theme overrides for this. Let me see. Well, actually, not theme overrides. We can literally just edit the theme here. Where do we edit the theme? Oh, you can have variations in your themes. I didn't know that. Hey, how's it going, YouTunes? What you been up to, man? Okay, so the theme is in our options menu, or yeah, it's in our options menu. We could make it unique and then change all of these buttons, or we could do it all in each of our settings, because they might be different. But you know what? I want to mess with it, so let's make this unique. Let's go into our buttons here. Oh damn, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm glad you're feeling better though. I don't know if you saw, but I play tested my game. And I had a speed run. I sent you a screenshot on Discord of my fastest time. If you were curious, it was, I believe it was 3 minutes and 7 seconds. That's my new score. And I wasn't even I wasn't even trying. No, I'm bragging. I was trying to beat my score, but I feel like it could have been better. I know the highest score, like I know it's physically possible to get lower than 3 minutes, is what I'm trying to say. Because I did make a few mistakes. On normal speed? Yeah, so the thing with normal speed or fast speed is that all of the times are the same. So if you were to play, technically you can play in slow-mo or in the easiest mode. And if you get everything perfect, you will get the same score as someone who was playing in the fastest mode and playing perfectly. It doesn't really have an effect. What I will do is there'll be a high score in when I plan on releasing the leaderboards and stuff, there'll be a high score for each of them. But yeah, the times should be around the same time. Yeah. Even though the game speeds up, you are the time also speeds up. Or if the game slows down, the time also slows down. We could change that, but I was thinking just to leave it the way it was. Yeah, I'm not sure what's the right answer to that, actually. So yeah, we were in our options menu. And yeah, we made this theme unique, so now let's go here into here and let's clear our normal. Oh, we never saved this. So let me go back into our label here. Theme override styles, and we're gonna save this. Do we have a section for style boxes? Oh, we have a folder called style boxes, apparently. Okay. So we'll call this white underscore box, or yeah, white underscore style box. I think it's way too hard to control when the dash time is over on easy. Maybe just because I went on nightmare from day one. Yeah, I actually should have. I remember I wanted to look at easy mode because easy mode, even though it's technically easier, I think it exposes my games to some bugs because like usually your speed as a human is not that fast. So when you slow it down by 0.8 or by 0.2 seconds per second, it's like your reaction times are basically 0.2 seconds faster. So I'll have to see like what bugs. I'm thinking mainly with the timer, like the dash timer could like mess up with like switching between certain states or like interacting with certain objects or going into the neutral state. Like there are definitely some edge cases that maybe I didn't consider when playing on normals or playing in the medium mode or the hard mode. So yeah, there might be some bugs with the easy mode. I actually should have looked at that before I started working with the UI. So yeah, I guess we'll look at that next. Let me just write that down. You want to be in the credits? Sounds good. If you beat my high score, I will put you in the credits. I'll also put you in the credits no matter what, but I'll put you higher up in the credits. Alright, so we copied this white underscore, so let's put that into our buttons here. Options menu. So yeah, for our normal state of our buttons, we will put quick load. Let's see, underscore. Oh wow. So I don't know how I like this. I don't know if I like this. I mean, the buttons are a lot smaller. Yeah, everything is just smaller. I mean, what we can do is our labels should be slightly bigger. Oh, so the size doesn't matter here. The goal is to beat me in under 3 minutes for now. Trying to think. I don't really like the way these buttons look. I'm not entirely sure how hard it is. I mean, for me, it always feels like second nature, but that's because like I've play tested this game so many times. Oh, and I also think I did the speedrun on mouse and keyboard, if I'm not mistaken. With the mouse input. So yeah, we could increase the I think we could increase the anchors here. Oh, oops. Let's leave that at 0. Well, what is going on? It keeps changing, I feel. Let's see. There we go. Grow direction and no, our rect. That's what we wanted to change. But I think the pivot offset would also have to change. Or, you know what? We could just leave it the way it is. And maybe, let's see here. So this is what it currently looks like. Let me look at our white underscore box. You know, it's interesting. By default, you should be able to edit this. Going on here, but automatically it opens up the theme, which is not what I'm trying to do. So you can see if I open up this one, I'm still not able to edit the Yeah, I did play it for a really long time, and for the most part, I actually don't think the game has any like real secrets. Like some of the things might seem like common sense to me, but I guess it might not seem like common sense to like someone who's just playing my game. So like here, I can show you an example. Let's play test the game really quick. Oh. So I think one thing that most people don't realize, or like I see people struggling with, and this is not this is not like a speed run strategy, but it's like more of like how the game works, or like people who've never played platformers don't know like I guess it's not even physics. It's just like I feel like it's common sense. It's with these springs here. Like if you were to jump onto this spring, you want to start moving, like let's say you wanted to make the most out of your distance, you want to start moving the second you touch the spring. So you like right now I'm pressing A and D. I want to keep pressing D for as long as possible. So like that, and then like that'll give me the maximum distance. Rather than what a lot of people do is they'll start bouncing on the spring, and then once they hit this top point right here, then they'll start moving forward. And you can see you barely get any distance. So it's compared to, you know, making an arch going in this direction, or making like you're basically just going downwards into the springs. So I mean it's not that much of a difference, but you can see like if you were a pro, you would make it up to this, not a pro, but like, you know, if you understood the mechanics, you would make it up to this point. If you don't understand the mechanics, you make it up to this point right here. So it's kind of hard to balance the game around, you know, those two types of players, because one is going to like be able to maximize their distance, and then one person is always going to like stay right here, then dash across, or no, that was wrong. One person is just going to dash across and, you know, wonder why they lost. And yeah, I mean, I think over time maybe they'll figure it out. I guess I can't be mad because I don't know how long it takes for people to learn that's how it works. I think the typical player, or like the typical speedrunner or like platformer player, picks this up pretty quickly. But yeah, if you're just a regular player, you might not notice that's what you're supposed to do. And it's like subtle things like that. I don't know if there's too many things like that in this game. Let me see. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I do to like... Oh, I also need to make sure that we bound the camera. I mean, bound the mouse, because at the moment I clicked outside of our screen. Oh yeah, we also want to fix the animations a bit. I think there was another... I'm trying to think if there was another issue. I had to remove... I don't know if you guys remember, but there were spikes above this, and that's because timing the dash in between these were really hard for people. So yeah, I removed that. And also, this is also pretty hard. I noticed a lot of people can't catch these springs here. And usually this is the type of game, well, this is the type of gameplay I see. And then they jump across and do that. I mean, I think it's fine. I guess, I think it's fine that happens. Oh. I think that's also, was that also a bug? What did I do here? Felt like we didn't... Something happened here. Whatever. But yeah, the spring is like something that I notice a lot of people struggle with. And like, yeah, balancing this. I saw this a lot when people were playing. Which I guess I think is fine as well. Let's see, what else? Oh, no worries, Fernando. Honestly, the longer you take to play, the better. So then I can... Oh, here's a tech though. Like if you technically wanted to speedrun the game, you could save like 0.2 seconds off your timer. Oh, if you were good. Oh my god. I have to get used to the mouse input. But you saw it. It is technically possible. Let me try that one more time. Yeah, like that. I mean, it wouldn't save you that much time, but it's a decent amount of time. Also, yeah, we need a... By full screen, you guys won't see the whole game, so I'll just leave it like this for now. Oh, this is another thing I've noticed people struggling with. I don't want to say, I don't know if it's struggling with, but like, oh my goodness. I keep clicking outside of the screen. A lot of people I noticed, they did this, where they drop down and then they dash, and then they miss here. Or like the thing I was trying to go for was showing that they can wall climb here, then they can climb here, and then jump like that. Like that's the easiest way to go about it. But yeah, I mean, I guess if you were speedrunning, maybe you would just jump and like time everything correctly. But yeah, I think this room either needs to, I think this room needs to be redone. Also, that's another strategy that I think most people won't get. But I actually didn't know that this was a strat. You know, like, you technically do this. Oh. And then jump here. Usually what I do is I go from the wall and then I dash straight up, but it does take some, like, it almost has to be pixel perfect. Am I gathering data on where people die? No. But I've just seen people play it. But I do have an option to do it. Oh wait, it's not going to be here. But yeah, I do have an option to show, like, if I wanted to collect that data, I could. I think I would have to have like some sort of permission. Like, I'd have to ask if the player wants to give out that information. But yeah, I do have something coded to check for player input and like how they played through the map. But yeah, most of the time it's just been me watching people play the game, like my friends and stuff. But yeah, it would be fun to analyze it. Like, honestly, if I really hope like this Kickstarter goes well, just because I would love to just like fully commit my entire life to this game. You know what I mean? Just like perfect everything about the game in terms like with like analyzing the gamer's experience or the player's experience. Making like fun levels, making fun puzzles, like the whole thing, you know? It'd be such a great experience. Oh yeah, you can see this is kind of bugged here. And like one thing I'm really looking forward to is if the game does do well, I really want to like refactor everything and like just make everything like, you know, fully optimized, perfect. You know, put money into the art to make that look beautiful, everything. But yeah, it all takes time. We'll see how it goes. Did I remove the speed boost? Are you talking about where you dash upwards and then the fudging dashes you up the spring? No, I haven't. Actually, I don't know how to I've seen it before, but I don't know how to recreate it. I'm sure, actually, I wonder, maybe, we'll have to see. Like, there could be a bunch of issues. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what that bug is. When you spam jump on springs? There was a bug. Let me see. Where's my main scene? You know, it's weird. My main scene is open right here, but I don't see it on the top. Unless... Yeah, it's so weird. Okay, let's speedrun this to get to a spring. So I'm spamming jump on a spring. Oh, down and jump. So yeah, I'm spamming down and jump. Or dashing. I do remember something happening where I go underneath the spring. No. Oh, this. Wait. So I'm inside the spring now, and then oops. I think what's happening here is that I lag. You'll have to figure out everything that's wrong with the spring. I think it has to do with our states. I can't even print out. Actually, yeah, we can't print out our states. It's on the bottom. But yeah, I think I know which bug you're talking about. I can't see it here, but I do remember I do remember seeing it on like the horizontal spikes. Like if you dash into it, sometimes you go like super far. Let's see if I can do it here. I don't remember. No, we'll ignore it for now. That bug will probably stay until I refactor everything. Yeah, let's just leave. We might take a break here. Yeah, we're probably gonna take a break. We got the UI working. I mean, it's always worked, but I think I'm gonna have to redesign some of this stuff and do some research with how our containers work and stuff. And next stream, let me see what bugs we have left to do. What bugs we have left to fix. Oh yeah, we have to fix the slide state for the player. The dash spam issue. And yeah, we have to check for bugs in easy mode. Oh, maybe that was why I couldn't see the bug happening. It was because the mode I was running in. Yeah, we'll look into it. Mouse sensitivity. And I do want to add one more feature, and that's the collectibles. I'll probably maybe commission someone for something really quick, for some quick collectible animations or sprites. But yeah, I'll leave the stream running in case you guys want to keep talking for a little bit. But yeah, I will see you guys around. Peace. I'll be in the chat as well. Oops.